Here we go, now it's recording. Alright. This is Miss Sandoval outside on a nature walk. Trying to find, well, I'm surrounded by living things. I already found a roly-poly. I don't know if you can see it. I got my bug catcher. And some tweezers to pick up the bugs. So let's keep going. Let's start this way. On our nature walk. What? Where? It's a ladybug. Where'd you go, ladybug? Where? There you are. Oh my goodness. How beautiful. Hold on, I'm gonna try to catch you. Hold this. Where'd you go? Where do you go? Do you think I'll get it? I'll get it with my tweezers. Ooh. Oh no, it flew away. Dang. Oops. Let's go out this way. Let's go get that ladybug. We'll catch that ladybug. Oh, it flew away. Didn't it fly away? But here's all living things. Plants, air. Where'd you get inside? I'm having assistance. I need a bug. Don't forget I'm on camera, video. Oh, it flew away? Darn. It's okay, maybe we'll catch a ladybug elsewhere. I was like, how'd you get in? Don't worry, I'll release the roly-poly. Let's see if we can find another bug. Watch out for cars when you're walking. Hold on. Alright, let's go. Make sure you look twice before you cross the street. So lots of living things around here. Oopsies. Let's see. See if we can find any more ladybugs. No. So let's keep walking. Let's come over here. I see some beautiful flowers. Ooh, beautiful flowers I see. Maybe we'll find a ladybug here. Let's see. Also, if you're out in the sun, you get your vitamin D. Let's see. Anything? Bless you. No. Look, plants need soil and space. I see something. I see a worm. Or whatever it is.
Capture a bee.
Oh no, wait, where'd it go? Oh no, no bees, no thank you. Aha. I don't know if you're dead or alive. You see it? Might be dead.
It's not a bug, is it? Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Hold on, I'm gonna put my phone. Oh, sorry, can you hold this for me? So I'm gonna put my bug in here. Oh, it might be dead. I don't know. It could be dried up. Turn around, roly-poly. There you go. Alright. Well, I'll stop there. That's the adventures of Miss Sandoval outside, looking at living things. Bye.